Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is Heaven on Earth. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. And my dear students, today we are going to learn about homophones. Before this in English for grade 3, I have already taught you about homophones. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we'll learn further to locate, identify, differentiate between, and use some simple pairs of words including homophones. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Taha, verse 44, and speak to him with gentle speech, that perhaps he may be reminded or fear Allah. Yes, my dear children, what this verse tells us. The words we use in our speech are important, and the way we speak is also important. Gentle speech. Okay? So this is a message for all of us. Whatever we say, we should say it nicely, we should say it clearly, and to say clearly, we should know how to pronounce it properly. That is what we are learning. So, you tell me, what are homophones? Remember? Do you remember anything about homophones? So pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, I hope you could recall that homophone, this word has been derived from the Greek homo, which means same, and phone, which means sound or voice. So together, homophone means same sound. Okay? It means if two words have same sound, they are homophones. For example, one and one. Now you see, when we say these two words, they sound same, one and one, but they are different. Their spellings, their meanings, and their use is different. Likewise, meet and meet. What does this meet mean? When we meet with each other, Assalamu alaikum, that meet. And what does this meet mean? It means the meat we eat. All right. So these two words sound same, but they are different. Such type of words are called homophones. Right? There are more examples. Let's see from your book. Write and write. Right? What does this write mean? The way you are writing, you are taking notes. And what does this write mean? When I say write, you understand. Okay, good. So these are two different words. Their spellings are different, but they sound same. That's why they are homophones. Okay. The next example is flour and flour. What this flour mean? The flour with which we make roti, right? We make chapati out of it. And this flour is the flour which you can see here. So they sound same, but their spellings are different. So they are homophones. Okay. Root and root. Do you know what does this root mean? Yes, it means the roots of a tree. And what does this root mean? Yes, it means the course, the path which you take. For example, this is the route I follow to reach to my school. Okay, now you see these two words, their spellings are different, but they sound same. They are homophones, right? The next example is waist and waist. What is this waist? The waist, like what is the waist size of your pants? That's waist. And waste, when something is rubbish, you want to throw it, that waste. Now you see again, these two words, their spellings are different, but their pronunciation is same. We say them in the same way. That's why they are homophones. They sound same. So let's see what's more in your book. The examples of homophone. The bear ate some berries. The tree was bare. Now you see bear and bear. This is the name of an animal and it means the tree was empty. The bear ate all the berries and the tree was empty. Okay. The ant was carrying a piece of corn. My aunt lives in Karachi. You see, now this ant and this ant, they are different, but they sound same and these are homophones. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, so I'm going to check it through an activity. What you are going to do, teacher will make pairs of students and teacher will write on board a sentence with two homophones. Okay. Now, teacher will call the students in pairs to come forward. First, they will locate the homophones from the sentence and after locating, the pair of students will say a new sentence by using these homophones. You got the idea? This is how you are going to do it. For example, this is the sentence your teacher has written on board. You can see the sea from my house. Now, pair of students will come. One will circle the first and the other will circle the second. These two are homophone in this sentence. Now they will talk to each other and they will make a new sentence like that, maybe like this. You can see on the map, my house is far from the sea, right? So this is how you are going to enjoy this beautiful activity and every one of you is going to participate. So pause the video, enjoy the activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So here is the time to practice from your book. You will complete the given sentences by choosing correct homophone. Okay, so a pair of homophone has been given for each sentence. You will read the sentence, will make the sense of the sentence and will choose the correct homophone to complete the sentence. And if you find anything difficult, raise your hand, talk to your teacher and teacher kindly facilitate the child in this way that they themselves can reach to the answer instead of telling them the answer. Okay, so pause the video, complete this exercise in your book. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write more interesting pairs of homophones and will use them in your sentences. And I'm giving you a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it and kindly provide students with printed worksheet for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do in this worksheet, out of two homophones, one has been written, you have to write the second in the leaf given underneath. Okay, so in this way, you are going to complete homophone tree. And what we have learned today, we learned that homophones are the words which have same sound but different spellings and different meanings. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to locate, identify, differentiate between and use some simple pairs of words including homophones. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.